Hey, to connect Pendrive into your Redmi A3, all you have to do is just open the settings, and first you have to navigate at the bottom and go to the About phone. Then scroll all the way down, find build number and keep tapping until you enable the developer options. From this you have to go back. Now you have to select System. You have to open Developer Options and scroll until you locate the USB debugging. Right now, you have to plug your pen drive into your USB-C port, like this. And now we can find information about the USB drive that we can actually open and view all of this stuff that is actually on our pen drive. And as you can see, it works. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.